is here with us, and he's going to be talking about this cool-looking case for us.
Thank you, Tinny. This is actually the P280, the latest addition to the Performance Run series. In recent years, a number of our competitors have come after this series, and so as the creator, it was unto us to recreate this series, to go back and bring the next contender to the market. So let me start in the front here. What you'll notice is I've got a very clean finish here, indicative of the style of the Performance 1, 2 USB 3.0 and 2 USB 2.0. Now these are internal solution 3.0, and the customers do have an option of going with 4 USB 3.0. Opening the door here, if it cooperates with me, you'll notice it does open 270 degrees. Well, you have your removable fan filter, pops right out, and behind that you have two 120 millimeter intake fans, 3 optical drives, again, very clean finish. Just shut that. Now, I've gone ahead and already opened it up so we can go inside, but I've got the side panel right here. So, always to remind you, this is Antec. This is what we do. Now looking inside, the first thing you're going to notice is these are kind of unusual looking fans. These are our true quiet fans. So you've got silicone grommets holding it in. You've also got silicone mounting pins. That absorbs nearly all of the vibration from the fans. Again, this is Performance 1. These chassis are meant to be silent but deliver performance. Moving up here, you'll see now we've got toolless optical drive mounts. Very easy and convenient, and locks them in place. We've got hard drive trays, also with silicone grommets for absorbing vibration. Now this is actually really special. What you'll see here is we have 220 millimeter fan mounts inside the PC. This is for those users that are using high-end graphics cards but don't want a lot of noise from their cooling fans. So if they don't want to mount them up front, they can mount them inside the PC and then have all the noise just contained within the case itself. I want to point out something really quick about the side panel I didn't earlier. So what you'll see here is we've got 2 layer here, steel and polycarbonate. Now a lot of the competitors these days are going to foam, but we stick with the polycarbonate both because it has the same sound of absorbency as that and actually stands the test of time much better. You think you can hold this? I think it's probably a little heavy for you there.
Ooh, it is.
So this is quality. That's 0.8 millimeter SECC with polycarbonate inside it. Now going in a little bit more into the interior here, you'll see we have a really gigantic CPU cutout for changing heat sinks. And you've got very thoughtful cable management holes here. You've got a top one for your 8-pin, you've got PCI Express, you've got your headers here, and then also we've got this filter down here for PSU intake, which is also removable and cleanable. Slide that back in there. Now you'll notice a very large motherboard tray here. This can accommodate up to XL-ATX, so it'll hold the extreme motherboards. And then that, of course, is directly linked to the back where we have 9 expansion slots. So we can do quad SLI with this. You can, when you're doing all your gaming, you can load 4 video cards in there because I know you're pretty hardcore with your gaming. So.
Oh yeah.
So again, true quiet fans here. And what else do I got for you? My goodness. Now, I don't know if you can get this shot, but up in here you've actually got a controller board, so all of your fans can plug into that controller board so you don't have wires going all over your case for your fans. So we will have a standard option and an advanced option, with the advanced option having that PCB and all of the fan cables pre-routed. So I think that's all from that side. Let me actually go to the back because there's something really special I want to show you here. Now you'll notice on this side we've got a generous amount of room for cable management. So if you look in here, Tinny, you've got about 3 centimeters worth here. So that'll hold all of the fat cables that you want to send through the motherboard tray. So this is really just our commitment to improving and having the best cable management in the industry. And so that's our P280.
Thank you, Dennis. That was very impressive.